Hello everyone, welcome back from my channel once again. For today's video, I decided to do something different. I'm not going to do the whole process like sketching and adding color. I will show only sketch today. I want to show you guys how I sketch my artwork without using ruler. So let me show some of my artworks and let's start with my favorite one. So this is my favorite one, and I use I drew all of them freehand without using ruler. So this is the combinations of like straight lines, and you're gonna see that all of the artwork it's carefully crafted to create a sense of depth and dimensions. And it was a viral hit on my channel, and I'm still blown away by the response. You're gonna see that it helped me easy to draw all these lines and even all these details as well. So here, this is one of the elements that helped me achieve this 3D effect is the use of the grid. So it helped me a lot, and that it plays such an important role in supporting my drawing, especially when it comes to the roof. So look here, everything goes in order, and I know exactly where my line's supposed to go, like where they would go and intersect. So this one, I tried the same thing with this one. I have like two pieces of artwork which is the same like this one. I really love to draw all of these details, and it helped me really easy to add the features, and it also gives me a great texture because like you know where you should put the shadows, right? So look at this, they two have the like similar theme, and I'm excited to share this method has helped me tap into my creative potential. For me, drawing with a grid has become an essential tool, and it also allowing me to create like this accurate the proportions of the building and bring my visions to life. This is another artwork, and I like this so much. I love how it turned out. The result, it's like always make me really satisfying. So if you're looking to boost your artistic skills and tap into your creative skills, I highly recommend it, giving this method a try. So like I have included links of all of these artwork below. I will line it wasn't easy at first. There were plenty of struggles when I first started using this method, but with practice and it becomes second nature, and now I find it incredibly amazing and satisfying. I have been using a grid to sketch a while ago, but I haven't been showing any details yet. So start by drawing a grid with 1 inch square on your paper, and this will give you a solid foundation to work on. And then these lines will serve as a guide for your sketch, and then they will help you create straight lines, even curves, and then perfect angles as well. So once you have got your grid in place, start by sketching the main outline of your subject. And now, here is the fun part. Start filling in the details, and you can use the grid as a reference point to ensure that your sketch is accurate and well proportioned. So if you are adding detail, you have to start by filling in the sections one by one, focusing on the specific element of your subject. And please remember to always start with the lightest pressures on your pencils and gradually increase the pressure as you go, because it is going to help you avoid any mistakes and then make it easier to erase if it is needed. By using grid, it is like helping us on focusing on the details and texture that make our artwork more unique. And plus, drawing grids, it can also be a great tool for practicing and improving your skill as well, because by sketching on the grid, so it is breaking down your subject into smaller, so you can control that kind of smaller, like the manageable sections, and then you can work on your individual elements and gradually you can build up your masterpiece. I'm not an expert. I've been still learning from my experiences, and I'm trying to share you guys for those who doesn't know how to start sketching, or for who is still struggling to put the things in right proportions. So the next time, if you are about to start a new pieces of artwork, so consider using a drawing grid. It might just be the secret to taking your art to the next level, and then it saves a lot of time as well. Thank you so much for tuning in and for your continuous support. I'm really grateful for all of your comments and feedback, and don't be hesitate to give any suggestion.